Back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I made this salmon. It's really simple. I cooked it in the oven, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Thank you.
First thing you want to do, you want to put the parchment paper down here. Then I'll show you what to do next. You'll put salmons put down here. Then you want to put a little bit of thyme on it. Leaves on it. These are thyme leaves. Put it all over it. On this one too. Be about good right there. Okay, I'm gonna put some peppercorn on 9. Lemon pepper. Not a lot, just a little. Do a little bit of oil. A little too much. Okay, that'll be enough. I'm gonna wrap it in parchment paper. Then you want to put it into the stove for about, I don't know, set it for like 350 for about 45 minutes until it's done, or for about half an hour.
Look at that beautiful salmon. That is tender, juicy, very tasty. With asparagus. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will bring you more upcoming videos, and y'all have a blessed day.